Now, a major part of any program is assessment. So how do we find out, how will we know that PLT is being effective and that our students are developing the habits that we want them to? Well, they actually won't look a whole lot like this picture here, where you will have an adult bearing judgment and checking off boxes and giving grades out to the students. Again, we want student ownership. So there are a few different ways we will be assessing for progress within the PLT program. First off is pre and post surveys that happen at the beginning of the year, the end of the year, and there are also quarterly surveys that are largely self-assessed by students sort of reporting the various answers to questions that can demonstrate mindsets and their ability to understand and work on various habits. On top of that, we have performance-based certifications and evaluations that happen throughout the year, some quarterly, some even more often, that again are performance-based, so students actually executing on specific skills or habits or demonstrating habits consistently across a longer period of time and sharing evidence for that. Finally, we do a lot of a peer assessment. So students will be assessing each other's SMART goals. They will be assessing each other's leadership habits, because what we found is students know better than the adults a lot of the time, especially when it comes to behavior and kind of social emotional skills, what people do consistently and what are their real habits. And so within family groups and also within classes, students will be doing a lot of peer assessment to help us make sure that we know what students are doing all the time and not just when they're in front of a teacher.